Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis, guys. This side, the load shedding is still killing us. Things are still bad with the electricity since the power was actually went off around 6, and now it's around, let's say, to 12. I don't know if maybe there was something wrong or something, but even yesterday, the reason why we did not actually go to our live session it's because we did not have electricity. But for those who know, actually, they will understand, especially if you're coming from South Africa. We have this regular power cutoff, so yeah, load shedding. So please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So let's go straight to our daily analysis and see what's really happening. So this is going to be as quick as possible, as we are already late, you see. So what's really happening actually is, yes, the market is still on downtrend. This is Bitcoin. The market is still downtrending, and we see that the market is still actually respecting everything nicely. We see that actually where we are now, the market is creating something like a wedge. That wedge actually, until the market breaks out of that, we're gonna see something. Let me just go on 1 hour so that you can see actually what's really happening. You see? So the market is creating this wedge. So it means the market, for us to say we need to buy, the market has to break this area, or maybe this support. We can say, okay, if it breaks this support, we can do what? We can sell. We can keep selling. But for now, we can just wait. But what we know is we are still on that downtrend. We are still on that downtrend. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. Let's push the next one. German. What's really happening on German? We can easily see that, yes, the market actually is still on aggressive sell or aggressive downtrend. You can see that. So if we go closer, you can see, if I try to zoom this out, if I go closer, I just want to show you something, that this area is part of that stronger support, and the market actually just broke out. So which means, or which shows us that the market is still willing to do what? To keep pushing lower and lower, because we thought maybe the market was supposed to was about to respect this and push up again. But guess what? The market broke out, consolidated. Now it's starting to range again. So, but we know very well that, you know what? Yes, the market is doing what? The market is still on that downtrend. The market is still downtrending. I hope you see that. So I'm expecting a very nice sell, or if maybe the market wants to break this support, I can say below that area we can have a very, very nice sell, or maybe above this area, around that area, it's where we can also get another sell. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. Wow. Gold is creating some very nice moves. Gold is pushing up. So what do we see? Let me just bring this thing to the right side. So what's really happening here is the market is still on that downtrend, and it shows us that, you know what, this thing is still on that stronger, and it's been there for some time. So now, actually, I think it's yesterday we did have some trades, but the market never actually pushed lower, and then the market just pushed up. But we can't just conclude and say, you know what, we are on a buy. No, we can't just conclude like that. We can have something like this there and say, maybe if the market doesn't really respect these areas, if the market doesn't really respect this resistance, we can say, yes, maybe it's time for the market to push the upside or to change the trend. But currently, we still have these areas where the market can still respect and push the lower side. And if that happens, it means we're still going to continue with this downtrend as we've been selling for some time. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one, which is US oil. US oil yesterday, actually, it's been playing games with us. It's been playing games. What I see is, or what we can see here together is, the market is actually showing us that, you know what, guys, I'm on that downtrend. You can even, it's not like just because I placed this here, you're forced to do that, but you can just do that to guide you to see where the market is actually showing us where it can bounce. Not that maybe we're gonna buy or do something. Nope. As we are on a downtrend, we just have to know where maybe we can take out our profit, or maybe to where we can expect the market to bounce back. So currently the market reached that lower level. You can see there the market reached this lower level, and now it's pushing up. But once it's pushing up, or where it is pushing up, it's where actually we have our resistance. You can see we had actually a sell position around that area. It should be like this, so that you can see we had yesterday, but even today we can still have another one around that zone, so that if the market keeps pushing lower, we can take that sell. Simple as that. So as I said, I don't really want to make this video very long, as I'm already late and I also want to send some signals. I just need to make this as quick as possible. So now we are on US30. We are on a 4-hour time frame, by the way. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just going to draw this resistance very quick. I can just do something like that. It's a downtrend, a very perfect, very straightforward downtrend. So everyone can able to see this one. I think you can able to see that. So yeah, we see something like that. So what do we do when we have something like this? It's easier for us to say yes, the market is actually downtrending, as we see the market is actually moving with this pattern where we can just call it a downtrend. So our job is to identify areas where we can do what? We can keep selling. Our job is to identify those areas. And for now, we also have to do that because the market actually just pushed up. So it means around this area, there is something, but unfortunately the market did not actually touch that area. So which means we're going to wait, especially when it's still pre-market like this. There is a chance actually for the market to still bounce back here and create something like this before continuing going lower. Or maybe the market wants to push the upside. I saw NASDAQ was trying to push the upside. So yeah, I'm still actually bearish on US30, especially when the market is still giving us this nice sell, you see. But just know that the market won't just create that every day. We did eat very nice yesterday, even if we were not on our live session because of load shedding, but it's fine. I hope maybe you understand that. That's why if you are in the team, obviously you were just going to eat. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? Quite straightforward also. We are still on that downtrend. This is a 4-hour time frame. So if we zoom closer there, you can see that yes, we still have this resistance. This is a counter trend, a downtrend there, a counter downtrend. So what we see here is, yes, the market is actually still on that downtrend, but currently we are on this ranging move. We are on this ranging moves. So our job is to wait for this ranging or this support area to be broken. The market can break out, or the market can break out here. But what we want actually is to keep selling, especially when we are on a downtrend. So that's what we want to do. So please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I try to make this as quick as possible so that you can see what's really happening on the market. If we want to have that load shedding, yes, we're still going to go on that live session. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.